I just left Mikeys Fest in Nashville, and I want to make this video to say thanks to everybody that poured in. And anybody that wasn't there and didn't know, I was there and I had a toothache. And I still have a toothache, but it feels better because I'm at home. I got a little home cooking and a little home attention yesterday. None of you jokers couldn't give me that down there, but that's all good. I want to say thanks to everybody, man, that poured in to me, to pour it in the facility, to pour it into each and everybody down there, because these things are impactful, not only in the lives of the kids or the families that are at the Ronald McDonald House, but these events are impactful in the cleaners and the distributors' lives. You got Mike Pemberton, and no matter how controversial Mike Pemberton, he Donald Trump. He Donald Trump, not in a bad way, but you know, whatever you say about, he's the most controversial, but the most giving. Get it done. I'm talking about he gets it done. He and what's the lady name? Sarah, him and Meg, Donald Trump and Sarah Sanders. I'm talking about gets it done. Man, my hat goes off to Mikey. He is a beast, has always, since I met him in South Carolina before then, has always jumped out the window to help me. Got me in the class, and who am I? I'm a little peon that was charging 3 rooms for $50 a year and a half ago. Man, this dude pours into me every chance he get, and I stand there and soak it up and listen. So you think I was coming home because of a toothache? I've had a many a toothaches. I've been waiting on this for a long time. I spent some time with Tom Conway, and it blew my mind. He and the zipper guy, they blew my mind. I told Conway, I have never met somebody that's so laid back. I'm talking about this guy has been full of knowledge. He built the Devastator. Man, I'm just looking at this guy like, man, this guy don't need, man, if I was you, man, I'd be arrogant as hell, man. You got the best piece of equipment going. I'd be talking shit, walking around there talking shit. You and Mark Sager, you got Barack Obama, Chandler Thompson. Man, just as laid back, polite, knowledgeable, just man, the setup is like Chandler Barack Obama all day long. Just this was therapy. This was everything you wanted, everything you needed. If you had a problem, man, Meg. Good morning, Miss Meg. I just caught, who was the name? Sarah Sanders of the group. You and Mike, Sarah Sanders and Donald Trump, but that's in a great way. You know, every time I looked at Sarah Sanders before she left with Donald Trump, I gave the lady respect, because guess why? Even though I don't like some of the things Donald Trump say, man, that lady was always on point. And every time I see Meg, you always on point. You represent in a room, in an industry dominated with guys. You got a foot in it, a heavy foot, and helping. It's just, man, it was just, Mikeys Fest was just, I don't know who you believe in. I don't know who you worship. I don't know how you feel. It was heaven sent. Mr. Pemberton just sent me a picture. Man, look at this, man. You're talking about Bill Gates of carpet, of upholstery in my inbox, sending me, man, what in the, like, I could get emotional talking about it. Enough. I am blown off my feet. I am getting ready to go into somebody's house. First, I'm going to the dentist. Go in. Come on here. Come on here. Walking my dogs. Go into somebody's house and just look. I got on the Cleaners Connect shirt. I'm wearing the Mikeys Fest shirt. Tomorrow I got on the Cleaners Connect t-shirt. I ain't even wearing the company shirt for the next couple of days. It's Cleaners Connect and Mikeys Fest in my neighborhood. That's what's going down. And if they want to know, tell them to ask me. Give me a call. I love y'all. Straight from the heart.